Hello my dears, here's Sally. Today we are doing 10 minutes pranayama to connect with your breath, to connect with your thought. Your thought chakra is there for communication, for wisdom, and for cleaning. Today we want to focus on the connection to yourself, the connection to your breath, with the Ujjayi Pranayama and the Kechari Mudra, and then we combine both techniques together. If your normal breath is rough, the goal is to get more soft and to feel more inside, to get more calm and connected. Are you ready? Take a comfortable seat. Your spine is long and elongated. You feel grounded and at the same time lifted up into the sky. Close your eyes and connect with your breath. Inhale. I am here. Exhale. I'm ready to release. Inhale. Really connect with your breath. Feel inside. Exhale. Arrive in your body. Connect to your normal breathing. Everything is okay. Just get aware of it. Just with your breathing, feel inside, feel in your throat, feel in your neck. How do you feel your breathing here? To feel it more, you can place 1 or 2 hands on your throat and your neck and feel from your hands inside. Feel the outside of your skin and also feel inside. Feel the breath. If there are thoughts coming, just let them pass and get your whole awareness back to your breathing in your thought. Stay connected. With the next exhale, release your hands and stay focused in your thought. Energy is following your awareness. We start with Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi means winning. So we want to win your breath, the awareness and the controlling, to really get a controlled breath. It's like if you're standing in front of a mirror and you make you're breathing on it and then you can see your breath. But we want to do the same thing with the mouth closed. So inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose, but keep the feeling in the thought that it's like pulled together. And actually that's what you're doing there. Your vocal cords, you really pull them together. You strengthen them in a soft way. So don't make it harsh, really make it in a soft way, but you close them more. And you can also hear this. You do it with the inhale and with the exhale. Maybe you can already feel it's calming down and it's cleaning and it's making everything more smooth and more long. Inhale and exhale. It doesn't need to be loud, just as much as you can hear it or as you feel connected Your breath can be your anchor. Your lips are softly touched, don't press them. Your whole face muscles are relaxed. You are totally concentrated on your breathing. It's the sound of the ocean. And then release it. Take a few normal breaths. And for the next Kechari Mudra, you need to roll your tongue inside. So the downside of your tongue is touching your mouth inside, really backwards on the upper mouth interior. Try to keep your tongue relaxed. You can go as far back as it feels good. And breathe through the nose. Inhale and exhale through the nose. If you feel your tongue doesn't feel good anymore, just relax and start again. Connect to your normal breathing. Feel what is coming. And the Kechari Mudra is to release the very elixir of life, to get a more universal awareness and to let everything flow in a circle in your body. Take a few deep breaths here. If your tongue just relax, then push it up again into Kechari Mudra, and we combine now both. So with the Kechari Mudra, your tongue is touching inside your mouth, the upside, and we combine it with Ujjayi Pranayama, with the deep breathing. So inhale. And exhale. Long and deep. Get soft and smooth inside. Connect with your breath. Feel how you can influence your breath in a positive way. Your face muscles are relaxed. Keep concentrated on your breathing. And whenever you're ready, release your tongue, release the breath, and bring your hands in Ujjayi Mudra in front of your heart together. And connect with your breath. Thank you for your time, for your energy. Thank you for your trust. If you liked the video, I would love to have you as my follower. I hope to see you soon. Namaste.